The Rebirth of Yggdrasil, the Griffin's Quest. Once upon a time, in a desolate land where the sun seldom shone, and the winds whispered their cold secrets, a young griffin named Gideon roamed the empty plains. Despite the harshness of his surroundings, Gideon remained hopeful and inquisitive, never tiring of exploring his bleak homeland. One day, as Gideon traversed the rocky cliffs that bordered the whispering forest, he stumbled upon a small glint of green, a stark contrast to the drab world that enveloped it. Curious, he approached and found a single seed encased in a glass vial, its vibrant color pulsating with life. The seed was the last remnant of the magical tree, Yggdrasil, which had once brought life and abundance to the desolate land. However, as years passed and the darkness seeped into every corner of the world, the tree withered, and the creatures of the land retreated into hiding. Gideon, filled with determination, vowed to bring life back to his world by planting the seed and regrowing Yggdrasil. Gideon knew that in order to complete his quest, he would need help. He sought out his trusted friend, Felix, the wise old fox who had survived through the darkness. Together, they began to plan their journey to the fertile land that lay hidden deep within the whispering forest, where the seed could be planted and take root. As Gideon and Felix ventured deeper into the whispering forest, they faced a series of challenges. First, they encountered a treacherous ravine, its depths shrouded in darkness. The pair looked for a way to cross, realizing that they would have to rely on each other's unique abilities. Gideon, with his strong wings, carried Felix across the chasm, while Felix used his cunning to navigate a safe path for Gideon through the thicket of thorns that lay beyond. The duo continued their journey, pushing past exhaustion, and they came across an imposing stone wall, the runes carved into it glowing with ancient magic. Felix used his vast knowledge to decipher the runes and unlocked a hidden passageway. The narrow tunnel led to a hidden glade, where they found a golden-winged swan named Seraphina. Seraphina, the guardian of the sacred lake, had been waiting for those who would restore life to their world. She graciously offered to join Gideon and Felix on their quest, understanding the importance of their mission. The trio ventured deeper into the whispering forest, where the final challenge awaited. The friends arrived at the heart of the forest, where the ground was soft, and the air was thick with the promise of life. However, a gigantic serpent named Nidhogg guarded the land. Nidhogg had once been the protector of Yggdrasil, but the darkness had twisted his heart, turning him into a fearsome beast. The friends devised a plan to confront Nidhogg. Seraphina used her enchanting voice to sing a lullaby that would lull the serpent into a deep slumber. As Seraphina sang, Gideon and Felix approached the creature cautiously. Felix, with his deft paws, removed the poisonous fangs from Nidhogg's mouth, ensuring he could not harm them. Gideon, summoning all his courage, managed to tie Nidhogg to the ancient roots of Yggdrasil, rendering the serpent immobile. With Nidhogg subdued, the friends carefully planted the seed in the fertile soil of the sacred land. As the seed took root, a burst of vibrant green energy surged through the world, healing the wounded earth and driving away the darkness. The magical tree Yggdrasil began to grow once more, its branches reaching for the heavens, and its roots digging deep into the earth. The tree's life-giving power spread throughout the land, and soon, verdant foliage, blooming flowers, and a multitude of animals returned to the desolate land. As Yggdrasil grew, the darkness that had once consumed Nidhogg began to dissipate, and the once fearsome guardian became a protector of life once again. Nidhogg, grateful for the friend's courage and determination, pledged to protect the tree and maintain the balance of life in their world. Gideon, Felix, and Seraphina returned to their homes, where they were hailed as heroes. As the years passed, their world flourished under the nurturing embrace of Yggdrasil. The animals of the land found harmony, and the once desolate land became a lush paradise. The tales of the brave Griffin, the cunning fox, and the golden-winged swan were passed down through generations, reminding the inhabitants of the land of the power of friendship, courage, and determination. And so, the story of Gideon, Felix, Seraphina, and the rebirth of Yggdrasil became a cherished legend, a testament to the indomitable spirit of life, and the wonders it brings.